Yo, did you ever hear the saying, the best camera is the one you have with you? That brings us to today's topic. Stick around. So this goes for anyone that wants to create. It really doesn't matter what your niche is, vlogging, makeup, news, talking head, whatever. It doesn't really matter. If you want to get out there and be a YouTube creator and you want to start making videos, you just have to go out there and do it. There's no excuses, and there's no better time to start making videos than right now.
But I'm saving up to buy like a really good camera.
Look, as long as you're shooting videos that deliver some sort of value to your audience, they're not really gonna care what kind of camera gear you're using. But let's rewind a little bit. The best camera is the one you have with you. And there is one camera that you have with you all of the time. You guessed it, it's your phone. That's the thing. Creativity strikes whenever it wants. And I, for one, don't always have my DSLRs on me.
But my phone camera sucks.
Actually, it doesn't. Many of the phones today can shoot in full HD and even in 4K. That's a better resolution than the DSLR I'm using to shoot this video right now.
All right, but what about slow motion for my mad B-roll skills?
Most phones right now are enabled to shoot in slow motion frame rates, like 60, 120, and even 240 frames per second in full HD. That's pretty slow, and it's gonna make your B-roll look sick.
But the audio from my phone sounds awful.
I do agree with you there. Even the best looking video could end up being a disappointment if your audio sounds like garbage. But there's an easy solution. You can attach an external mic right to your phone. That's a feature that the Canon G7X and other high-end point-and-shoot cameras don't even offer. And now that we're heading in that direction, let's talk about the accessories that are available to you to make your videos stand out and look awesome. I've been waiting for a few days for something to get delivered for this video, and it just showed up, so hold on one second. The one thing that I notice whenever I'm shooting with my phone is the front-facing camera isn't all that wide. So there are lenses out there that you can purchase to give you a wider field of view. Here's the lens itself. This thing's pretty large, and it's freezing cold outside, so if you can see the lens is all fogged up there, we're gonna have to wait and let this thing thaw out a little bit. So basically you would just take this thing right here and attach it to your phone camera via this clip right here. Here's with the wide angle attachment off. This is just the camera from the iPhone. And here's with the wide angle attachment on. The field of view is wide enough that, you get that kind of wide angle look, and it's pretty nice. I like it. There's also some affordable handheld tripods and other accessories made specifically so you could film on your phone. So let's talk about a few of those. Essentially, you could take something like this and add something like this. It's a phone clamp. And then something like this right here. This is a cold shoe adapter. Take your phone. If you have a shotgun microphone with a cold shoe adapter built into it, then you can just slide it right on here. Or you could take something like this. It's a little H1N audio recorder. That way you get better audio whenever you're filming. So you could go out there and get those accessories and spend $150 to make your videos a little bit better. Or you could just go basic and use your phone. I live in a small town. I can't always take this monstrosity out with me to make videos, all right? Imagine somebody in a small town walking around with this giant thing right here. It would frighten people. It looks like a weapon. But in all honesty, sometimes I just want to get out there and I want to shoot a video, and I don't want to draw a ton of attention to me, especially if you are kind of hesitant to be vlogging in public and things like that. The phone is your best friend at this point. It's commonplace. People talk to their phones all the time, everywhere. It doesn't matter if you're in a big city or a small town. The gist of today is just to get out there, grab whatever camera you have available to you, and create fiercely. Get out there and just have some fun. Make videos. No more excuses. So if you're interested in any of the accessories that we talked about in today's video, down in the description, there is a link to the top 10 essentials for vlogging on your phone. That's a list that I made of all of these pieces of equipment that will help you make your videos that much better. Full disclosure though, that is an Amazon influencer storefront, so if you do buy anything, I make a couple bucks, which I would greatly appreciate. We'll see you next time.